GE sees a lot of opportunities in the ASEAN market. We are primarily an infrastructure company, and I think one of the interesting things about ASEAN is they're quite committed to building infrastructure, both to meet the needs of their populations, which is very large, as well as build the infrastructure that investors, both foreign and domestic, need in order to invest in these countries. And therefore we've seen many opportunities to build infrastructure across our aviation, our power and water, our oil and gas, and healthcare and rail transportation sectors over the last decade here. GE's results have been very good over the last 4 or 5 years. We've more than doubled the business. We'll do over $5 billion in orders across our infrastructure businesses this year. And that ranks as the second fastest growth area for GE and the fourth largest in terms of total orders. GE thinks about ASEAN both as an integrated market, but also as 10-country opportunities. I think over the last 10 years, we've thought more about ASEAN becoming a regional market, but it's maybe 80% country still. And that's because of the unique differences across the ASEAN region. You've got many island nations in ASEAN, so it's obviously not easy to integrate these markets. Innovation is going to have a huge impact around the world. I think that's very clear. Some of it will be brought in from global companies like GE, but a lot of it will be indigenous innovation as well. I think a great example in this region is the AirAsia story. Instead of point-to-point travel, really creating kind of a spider's web and hub structure that has allowed them to get great scale very quickly. And I think we'll see many more examples of that. And we see companies achieving scale by investing cross-border now within ASEAN as well, which is, I think, innovation.